2018 Infiniti Q50. We want to go ahead and add a key to it. This is the original key right here, but we're going to go ahead and add one key to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to say get pin code. We'll say okay. Turn off the ignition. Hazard lights are on. Open and close the door. Click OK. All right. We already have internet connected. Say OK. All right, network has been connected. We want to push that for 2 seconds. Ignition is turned on. We'll say OK. Everything is normal. Let's turn off the ignition. Wait 3 seconds. Okay. We'll take this and we'll push it on to the button and see if it lights up. There you go. It lit up. Yes. Do we want to program the next one? This is the customer's original keys. Looks like a Hyundai. It's a universal key. We will say yes to programming the next one. Turn off the ignition. Okay. And now we'll take their key, push the button, ignition lights up. That is all we want to program. Let's turn this off. Wait 3 seconds. Click OK. We're going to take our first key that was programmed to the vehicle and we will push the button again, and that will cycle us out. Here you go. Push it one more time. Registration completed. The key is now programmed to the vehicle. Ignition is off. And open and close the door. We'll push the button. Button works. It says start the car. Car starts. And that is a 2018 Infiniti Q50 programmed. All done. Thank you so much for watching.